Hello and welcome to White Eagles TV. My name is Mitch from Sydney, Australia. Thanks for tuning in again. And this episode is going to be a really quick one. Here I'm wearing my the Serbia 2022 World Cup jersey. It's not the best jersey in the world, honestly, but here it is. I'll see if I can just put the camera down a little bit. Here it is in its infamy. I won't say glory, but I am wearing the hat my brother-in-law bought for me from Republika Srpska in Pale. It's not bad. Honestly, I like this hat a lot better than this jersey. What are you gonna do? But this video, I'm just gonna focus on a few things. It's about where to buy our kits, our shirts, our hats, jackets, so on. I don't know. I'm always confident when I buy stuff, but I don't know if there's anyone out there who struggles and doesn't know where to buy our kits and so on. So I'm just going to show you guys two websites. One's from Serbia in Belgrade, and the other one's from London in England. And so this one's first is small Serbian shop, Mala Srpska shop. I'm not going to try and say that word. But if we just look at the top row, it's the hat I'm wearing, 20 euros. So in Australia, that's about 28 bucks. And then next to it, it's our jackets, which we'll be wearing when we walk out before the game starts. I haven't got that. I'm not too much of the zip-up jacket sort of person. I don't really like it. I feel uncomfortable in it. I do have this jumper here, this little hoodie, which is 59 euros or 60 US, wherever you are. I actually have that. That is really nice. I really like that. It fits well. I'm a large usually. I put on a bit of weight, but I'm still a large. And if you consider yourself a large, and I know Puma sometimes sort of, their sizing can be a bit off. Just buy a large. If you're a large, that will fit perfect. And then obviously there's a jersey next for 90 euro, a bit expensive. And the next one is the white jersey that I'm wearing now. Look, I only bought it because from the Australian Puma website, it was being sold for $120 and it had a voucher. I can't remember, I think it was about 25% off, and it dropped the price to $72 and $8 postage and handling. It was $80. So I bought both home and away, which I wouldn't have bought the away one. Usually I only buy the home one. But it was such a good deal, $80. I thought, why not? It's $80. Next one, and then we move into a little bit more expensive jerseys. This goes from 90 now to 102 euros, and these obviously with the player names on it. Next, it's the combination scarf and jersey, and then you got the full kit. If you want to be a full kit wanker, wearing at your local, Srpski club. Go for it, I'll probably try and buy these shorts, but I'm not going to try and be that full kit wanker. And then the next, it's the combo, which that's not a bad deal, actually. And then you got the kids stuff right next to it, pretty expensive. And then, the jersey and the flag, that's pretty good. And then you move on to Zvezda and mixing it up with the, with the Serb team. That's not for me. But yeah, so this is a quality website. I bought from them before. You don't have to be worried about buying from this website. This is secure. All the payments are done securely as well. It will arrive at your house. The World Cup's only about 30 days away. I think our game's about 33 days away. So if you wanna look the part, you should probably buy now. And you probably 4 weeks. I'd say you'd probably get it within 4 weeks, which is pretty good. So that's one website I'm always on and always buy from, and it's pretty good. Next one I'll show you this is from London. It's called Classic Football Shirts, and I bought many things from this website. Spent a lot of money here. And obviously at the top row you see, we talked about these two jerseys and the hoodie. But the one you didn't see on the small Serbian shop is this training kit. That's $50 or £50. This one I would go a size up. This is actually a little bit tighter than if you're a large. I'd go an extra large for that shirt. The other ones it's true to size. Whatever you normally buy, just buy that and you won't have an issue. And then obviously if you're like me, you collect your jerseys. As you can see behind me, You know, that's 2008. That's the Umbro. Last one we have Umbro, which we should have kept. Look, that side is the one with a cross. Right there. That's the one with a cross. And this is the first one. And that's another Puma one on my right. I think. Yeah, I can't remember that one. So I'm a bit of a jersey collector. And I'll do episodes about all my jersey collections. I mean, if you look at all these ones here, with the exception of this one, I've got all of them. I've got all these ones as well. And then you can buy match worn Koromani. I was a decent winger for Serbia. I mean, nothing special. And this one, match worn, not bad, a lot of money. And then you got some of the older sort of stuff. This was last season's. Anything else they got here? This is match worn. That's pretty good. And one of the first Umbros. This was 2016 Euros. Oh, disaster. So they're just two websites that I like to buy from. So if you're wondering where you can buy from, this website's secure. I think its postage handling is about maybe 15 Australian dollars. I'm not sure wherever you guys are. And they will arrive within 2 weeks, and that is a quality website. I do recommend this website. And if you do like some of the older gear, and you don't mind being chased by some of the Serbian hooligans, you can buy Yugoslavia 81, 82. That's a lot of money. I don't have that, but £750. Oof, that's a spicy meatball. But you've got a lot of jerseys here. If you wanted to maybe start a collection and preserve these jerseys like I have, I mean, I don't wear them. But I preserve these jerseys. Someone needs to look after these jerseys, and I bought them. So I'll do an episode later on showcasing those jerseys. But like I said, two websites. Check them out if you want to kit up just before the World Cup. I can't recommend these. I don't work for them. I don't get any commission from them. I'm just showing you guys if you guys want to buy these jerseys, or if you're looking to buy it, jump on these websites. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.